Today we are going to talking about founding in stock market. Especially, we are going to analyze how an amount of money of a hedge fund can manipulate the stock price to an uptrend or to a downtrend. In our example, we're going to talking about the uptrend. So, we are going to talk about the NIO Company. NIO is a Chinese multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Shanghai, specializing in designing and developing electric vehicles. Moreover, the company develops battery swapping stations for its vehicles as an alternative to conventional charging stations. So, let's start. Here we can see that Abu Dabi Fund give 1 billion stake in NIO Company, and I would like just from you to take into consideration that it happens at 24 July 2023. Here you can see the article and the details that actually NIO Company has agreed at this investment. But I would like just to keep your mind here because the Abu Dhabi government fund will hold a combined 7% of NIO. Here I would like to tell you that this fund just not give the money in this company and they don't expect an interest or their money back, or they don't have some royalties in earnings, for example. They just believe in the company and they just take the 7% of the NIO's equity. It's much significant element that actually I would like you to keep in your mind. So, as we can see, that the NIO stock has at this particular time of period from 26 July to 3 July 23, the NIO stock just jumped almost 20%. Somebody could tell me that okay, it's something like that just happened, and this is the only factor that can manipulate the stock price. The answer here is no, and all of these companies just belongs to some indices. The NYSE indices is a indices which actually NIO belongs to. We have some companies, for example, PayPal belongs to Nasdaq, Alibaba belongs to Dow Jones, and there are many indices. There are many different companies that actually belong in different indices. Here you can see that at this time of period, at 23 July, the price of these indices is about 15.500 almost thousand. And just compare about the 13 July, we can have an uptrend about 50,000.9, almost 900,000. Just take into consideration that it's about 3%. You can see that the market cap of Tesla's company is about $560 billion. Okay, just think about it due to the reason that if you would like to compare this market cap with a NIO's market cap, it's much lower, and you can see that the market cap of NIO is almost $8 billion. As you can understand here, the market cap of NIO is much lower than Tesla's, so and the stock price obviously is much lower. And just take into consideration that we have a good news of a hedge fund that actually helped the company to boost. We have a healthy indices which just goes up about 3%. And I would like just to tell you that the volatility of NIO is much higher from Tesla due to the reason that the market cap of NIO is much lower than the market cap in Tesla. And all of these news can manipulate the company stock much further. So they boost the NIO's company about 20%, but it happens not only for the numbers of them, but also that it has high volatility. Thank you for watching guys. Goodbye.